So the gym is where I go. That is where I spy on you when you box. Be crazy, don't mind me.
Say, boy, your head is messed up. Don't touch my waist. Why are you measuring me?
Because
So it's all happening here at home. We've got tradies doing their thing out there. And we're going to sit down and have a little feast, Indonesian style. So we're going to have the bank. There we go.
Oh, kami bulat. Ibu mau yung anu gepek.
Give us a tour of what we've got in English.
Barbecue fish.
Barbecue fish, yes.
Tofu.
Dried tempeh, yes.
Sauce. Sweet sauce.
Sweet sauce, yes. Oh, chili.
Red onion.
Red onion, yes.
Fish salt.
What, sorry?
Fish salt.
Sea salt?
Fish salt.
Fish salt.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
And sambal.
Sambal, of course. No meal is complete without sambal.
Any food Sunda.
Wow,
Sunda.
that looks good.
Yeah.
But not peas?
No, any cucumber.
A cucumber, yeah, Lebanese cucumber.
And rice.
And rice, of course.
Rice,
Oh, yes.
liver rice.
Sorry, livered rice?
Liver rice.
What mean? It,
Liver
Oh.
rice.
oh, lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
And chili?
Lime leaf.
Lime leaf.
Chili.
Chili. Wow.
Onion,
Wow.
and the oil.
Right. And crackers, of course.
And salt.
Crackers in that bucket
Yeah,
over there.
crackers.
All right. Wow, what a feast.
Okay.
So, this is Ibu Agus. She has joined us for lunch. Okay, there's a fish head. Wow. I won't be eating that. So here we've got a piece of fish. I wouldn't know where to start in terms of taking chunks off, but it's an acquired skill that Dinny seems to do with ease. And there's Huddy, Eppie's husband, my brother-in-law, yes, my sister-in-law here, and a worker up there installing a light, which is that one there, which will hang around about there. As you do, you just squat down, unassisted, and whirled away. And here, the piece de resistance, an icy cold bintang beer. Now this is rare in Tasikmalaya because typically alcohol isn't something they participate in. So it's not what you know, it's who you know around here. Managed to get a few of these yesterday. Happy days.
In Indo, party like this.
Wow, that is good. Hey! Hey, all right.
Facebook itu.
Okay, we're about to jump on one of these horse and cart buggies to meander down the pathway to the monument here in Jakarta. Okay, off we go. This is the walkway to the base of the monument that we saw earlier, but unfortunately we can't go up to the top today. There is a lift inside the monument itself which will take you up to the top, and therefore you can see the city views, but we can't get that lift until 4 o'clock this afternoon, so we've said no, thank you. Coconut leaf?
Coconut leaf.
Yeah. And what's inside? Rice?
Rice and bean.
Rice and bean.
Red bean.
Wow.
Red bean.
Look at that. Rice and red bean. Yum. I did taste the rice and red bean and coconut rice stick, and I didn't like it. Not a fan. Savoury. Not sweet. Not my thing. Well, this is in the basement of the monument, and I guess locals come here to relax and cool off because it is rather cool here, and they lie on the marble floor for that added bit of coolness. Pretty cool, huh?